Welcome to Bare Metal's Build Season Week 1. This week, we got started on strategy, design, building our kitbot, as well as our Woody Flowers essay. We also interviewed some of our members on how they thought this week was going. Let's go to those interviews now.
How do you think week one's going for you so far?
Week 1 so far is going pretty good. I'm on kitbot, so it's going great.
Pretty good, just pretty tired, surviving on coffee.
Yeah, I'm more of a monster girl myself.
This one been going those. I cannot talk. Sorry.
It's alright, just keep going.
Week one's been going pretty good for me. We haven't really done too much. I'm on Kitbot, and right now everybody's just kind of doing their, everybody's just kind of deliberating with each other. So there's not really too much to be done. In the fabrication-wise, there's also not that much that we're really doing. We're doing like very simple field parts and very simple cams. So there's nothing else really too much to be done.
I think it's going pretty good. We're getting a lot of stuff done. A lot of things are getting organized.
So far I can see like all the stuff are getting organized and everything is moving as it should be going. Everyone has one mindset about this and we know what to do at what time. So yeah, it's going pretty great.
Week 1 has been great. We are working on our strategy for both the robot and for competitions. The season is looking very promising and I can't wait to see how our robot designs further.
Is our strategy very strategic?
Oh, it's so strategic.
We got it.
It's going good. We've just been making some rigs and getting some of the field parts made. It's pretty simple stuff.
That's great. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
What do we do for Kitbot?
What do we do for kitbot? Kitbot. Okay, so we purchase a kitbot. We've done that for the last couple of years. And the objective of that is to give for our team, is to give the younger students the opportunity to build a robot from the ground up. And we select the students, we select leads within the younger students. And then they get the opportunity to assemble, work on electrical. They're doing some design right now for an apparatus, the programming.
How's our Kitbot going?
Our kitbot's going pretty well. We have the chassis done and we're just waiting for the design to finish the design for the kitbot.
What's the hardest part about building Kitbot?
The wheels were pretty hard getting the spacers on them because they kept on popping out and we took like an hour to like press them back in. So that was pretty hard.
What improvements do you see in the team's skill from doing Kitbot?
The biggest piece of that is probably leadership, and that and the younger students getting hands-on. The development of leadership is very important to this team. You can't lose a generation of leadership by not training and having the younger students experience what they need to do to be good leaders.
Why do we do Kitbot? I mean, you already kind of said it, but...
Well, for one thing, our team is very large. So, as you know, we do shifts because of the size of the team. So, and we have the young students, and they really don't get the opportunity to get hands-on the competition robots.
Yeah.
So this gives the younger students the opportunity to build a robot, and it's cool.
I heard there was a problem with an electronics board. Is that true?
Yeah, it was just the lining of it and it wasn't like fully squared. But we're currently cutting it so it could shimmy around a bit and we can somehow get the screws and not waste the wood.
That's good. Do you think you're gaining a good amount of experience for building Kitbot?
Yeah, more assembly training is like training itself and building the robot by yourself without like any training, or not training, but like any pressure. You have like an instruction sheet that you don't have to look at CAD the whole time and try to figure out what design did. So it's pretty easy.
How's our robot going?
Good.
That's a really good answer. Do you think we'll do well this year?
No.
How's our robot going?
I would say it's going pretty well. We've been able to get through more than a few prototypes, and they've all been tested and edited and that sort of stuff. But generally good.
Nah, you already answered one of the questions. What's one challenge we've had to face so far with the prototypes?
I don't know if there's been too many crazy challenges other than just we do a lot of our prototypes out of wood and polycarb and stuff, and it doesn't. Well, it's not the fastest to cut, especially with our wood when we have to cut it out of these giant 60 by 60 sheets and can only be 20 by 30, which doesn't exactly work.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I mean, generally it's gone pretty well. Not too many challenges other than just material issues.
How's our robot going?
Oh, it's going great.
How's our robot going?
It's going pretty good so far. It seems to be coming along well.
How do you think our kitbot's going?
The kitbot, well, we did just have an electronic plate that just does not fit, but you know, it's coming along good.
How's the robot going?
We don't have a robot.
How do you think we'll do well this year?
Sure.
Do you think that we're gonna go far?
It's not blinking light.
How's our robot going this year?
I think it's going pretty good from what I've seen.
Do you think we'll do well this year?
We're gonna do awesome this year, 100%.
So, how's media going?
Media's going pretty well. For 2 years of not doing super well with media, it's been super great to come back this season and really just hit the nail on the head, do a really good job, and really just perform beyond our wildest expectations.
That's great. You think we can do anything else extraordinary this year?
Maybe a robot reveal.
Coming soon, maybe.
Coming at the end of this video.
Do you think we'll do well this year?
Every year, I kind of do a preliminary evaluation of the strength of the team, and this year's team looks extremely strong.
I wonder if you said that last year. Did you?
You'll have to go back and look.
What's the most difficult part about the game this year?
I think, obviously, it's the low climb. Everybody knows that it's very challenging, but we'll be ready.
How's general programming going?
General programming is going pretty good. Currently, we're working on the scouting app and getting the server reconfigured into Compose, which is the library we use.
Here's our 2025 robot. We're calling it Barasound. It's a lot like our 2024 robot, but with aspects of our 2023 robot and some stuff we've done in the off season, as well as the Tormach lathe tool turret to really just give us that defense power and that extra weight to perform well. Here's our merch design that we worked really hard on. I'm super proud of our media members for this.
Are you leaking the robot?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.